Hi everyone and welcome at Heat Supply's 1 minute hot sauce review, the fastest hot sauce review on the internet. And today we are reviewing the Smokey Dragon by Condimaniac. If you want to stay updated on the hot sauce reviews and more, follow us on our socials. But for now, let's dive right into the Condimaniac Smokey Dragon hot sauce. Let's start the 1 minute hot sauce review right now. First we're going to take a look at the ingredients. It has tomatoes,
serrano chilies, apple cider vinegar, Komodo dragon, chilies, onion, garlic, lime juice, sugar, salt, extra virgin olive oil, dried chipotle chili, and paprika.
And now let's have a look at the consistency. I think it's perfect. It's just not too thin or not too thick. It's really smooth. And now let's have a smell. I'll be taking a smaller bottle that's already open. Yeah, you can definitely smell the smokiness. It's Smokey Dragon, so you get that. You smell the chipotle, but also the paprika, I think. You smell it very well. And the tomatoes as the first ingredient. Also some chilies in the back. But yeah, great smell. Let's have a taste. Flavor. You get the tomatoes as the first ingredient, like I said, with the smell. But the smokiness is really nice. So it's not super hot, but it has a lot of flavor. I'm really impressed by this sauce. So on flavor I would give this 8.5 I think. But it's pretty mild. So on heat I think this one is a 3 out of 10. At the end of the video we always want to advise you on how to use this hot sauce. As with most smoky sauces, it's great on meat, so you can use it at a barbecue, but I would definitely try this on meatballs with a tomato sauce and just pour in some of this hot sauce in the tomato sauce and you will have a very tasty tomato sauce. Also in pasta sauces I think this would be nice, and in tomato soup as well. So you get a little bit of the smoky hint into the tomato soup and it gets a bit spicy as well. So use it there. If you want to order this hot sauce for yourself, go to heatsupply.nl and grab the bottle. This was it for this week and we hope to see you back next week for the next 1 minute hot sauce review.